Hi, welcome back to FX Capital Analysis and Forecasting. So we at the middle of the week of week 48. Hopefully you guys very well in trading and execute as a plan. So in middle week review, we're going to forecast and analyze what we're going to focus for a few more days before the market close. So I will summarize the trade that I'm taking and the position that I'm looking forward to trade in few more days. So we start with first pair, which is British Pound Canadian Dollar. So British Pound Canadian Dollar, we can see in high time frame price at the middle of structure. So in lower time frame, you can see price at quite a clean structure. If we replay the market in this area, if we focus in this area, we understand that price break to the upside and pull back. What I'm looking for, and I forecast that I'm going to take first flag and move to the downside. So in 15 minutes, you can see price developing in this kind of pattern. So the position that I'm taking is this position. So in this moment, I just move my position to break even for this pair, and price move to the downside since yesterday and back up to the upside. So in this moment, I already moved to break even because price quite a corrective. However, price has possibility and high probability to move to the downside. So price already moved to the upside one more time, but I didn't move my stop loss because I don't want to too aggressive to trade this position. So what I do is I move my position to break even and let the price move to the downside and manage my live trade based on my trading plan. So this is the position I'm taking. So next we move to Pound New Zealand Yen. Pound New Zealand Yen, this is what we're looking for since last week. In 4 hour, we can see price in this area, high probability area, price did move to this area. If you pull the trend line from here, this is quite a double bottom and price at descending channel at the fourth touch. So if we move to downside, if you move to lower time frame, price already approached this area. In the moment we remove this trend line, what I'm looking for is if price can create one tight flag. So I will take the tight flag, move to the outside and move to the outside. This pair quite a very big percentage, a very big candlestick, so I will just wait what the price develop in 50 minutes. So in 15 minutes, I'm looking forward for any tight flag that going to develop. But however, price already create double bottom, and this is double bottom. So orange create a small arc from here. Price keep testing this trend line, and we ready move to the upside. If price move to the downside, just let it go and follow your trading plan and move to the other pair. Next is Pound USD. Pound USD, I take this position in this area. Clean structure because price pull back exactly at the point of the structure. You can see this is the position I'm taking. So this is the exact point price pullback. It's quite mind blown. So this is when you trade price structure and pattern, when the point to point exactly at the point price pullback is your kind of massive move. So very clean structure. I did place my entry order below this candlestick. So my position probably 32 pips or 33 pips. I think 32 pips. More, I think 34 pips. A little bit wider. So I did move to the downside and price moves, and in this moment I think I'll let the price to create correction and price retest again, and now price in this area. So what I'm looking for is I'm going to wait price to move to the downside a little bit more and move my stop loss to break even. Next we move to another pair is Euro Pound. Euro Pound is price up almost approaching double bottom. So what I'm looking for is price approach exactly a double bottom or move to third touch and buy setup for this pair. So it's similar forecasting as a mid at the end of the week. Weekly market breakdown. Next we move to Canadian dollar CHF. Canadian dollar CHF break the flag, move to the upside. In the middle early week we did forecast this position, and we forecast this position. So we forecast that either price move to the downside or price move to the upside. So in this moment price move to the upside. So I remove this trend line. What I'm looking for is price approach this area. Did I set my alert already set in this area? So in this moment I will sell setup and move to downside price squeeze and continue the structure. Last pair for weekly review is Euro USD. Euro USD you can see in 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, price bigger symmetrical triangle. So we at the high probability area. I'm looking for price approach this area and move to the downside. That's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys keep in place trading with your plan and keep your risk in place. That's very important. You guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube, follow our Instagram. Goodbye.